PhD Botany, and I'm English. I'm B.Ed and M.Ed, and both to lecturer and principal in Mathura. Now I am teaching to the students of anatomy of plants. It is very important. Importance of anatomy of a study is internal tissue, and it indicates the structural adaptation. It provides information and functional organization, structural details of different regions and different groups. Anatomy useful in knowing homology and pharmacogony. Pharmacognosy में characteristics and possible medicinal plants are used. It is very important. Plywood industry depends upon this knowledge, and wood anatomy also helps. Tissues are a very important question. They are generally asked in examinations. I'm giving these elements for competitive examinations and ICSC board and intermediate UP board. In tissues, a group of cells is simple and complex. Simple tissue is made of several cells. It may be meristematic and permanent. Meristematic tissue is of several types. First is apical meristem, and second is lateral meristem, and third is first is apical meristem, third is lateral meristem, and second is intercalary meristem. This you can see in the diagram that they are the several diagrams. And now we see the structure of shoot apex. There is dermatosome, peribellum, plerome. It gives rise to the epidermis, it gives rise to the cortex, and it gives rise to the xylem and phloem. And in the roots, you can see that there are several dermatosome, peribellum, then calyptosome, it forms root cap, which controls to the growth of cells. Now we see the permanent tissue. It contains cells of simple cells and of several types. First is parenchyma. Parenchyma is made of cellular cells, and they are made of nucleus, and cells are homogeneous. Intracellular cells are found, and cytoplasm is also present. In aquatic plants, just like hydrilla and several hydrophytes, it contains parenchyma, which help in locomotion. Second is chloronchyma. Chloronchyma contains various, just like pigment cells, and it helps in photosynthesis. Then next is sclerenchyma. In sclerenchyma, the cells are lignified and they are long, and they are containing sclerates or strong cells which contain cavity, pit canal, lumen, and stone dead. Now we proceed to the complex tissue. Complex tissue contains cells of two or more than cells, just like first is phloem. In phloem we can see it is sieve tube. Sieve tube, it contains sieve plate, and food is translocated into this. Then we see the various cells, and sieve tube is not present in pteridophytes and gymnosperms. But in the case of xylem elements, it is made of tracheids and vessels. Tracheids and vessels contains various cells. They contain lignin, and when we see the xylem and phloem, I have discussed phloem earlier, and in xylem it contains pit, and it contains lignified. Now xylem works is translocation of water material and minerals, and phloem helps in translocation of food material. Now epidermal appendages, they are found in epidermis. They are found stomata. They contain guard cells. Then they contain this stomatal pore, and they are very important. They help in respiration, etc. And in ground tissue system contains radial bundles. Xylem and phloem are located alternately. Second is conjoint. In conjoint, xylem and phloem are located in the same radii, epidermis and xylem. If phloem on two sides and xylem is on the two sides, it is called it is called amphi- it is called bicollateral bundles. It is called bicollateral bundle. And when we see the phloem and xylem, phloem to the outside and xylem to the other side, it is called amphicribal. And in the case of concentric, xylem is outer side and phloem is inner side. Amphicribal is found in prunus and amphivagal is found in Desina and Yucca. हो गया पूरा? हो गया पूरा और कौन?
पूरा हो गया।